story time!
Story time!
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, Felix, Elmo's excited too.
Me too.
Today, we're gonna start with one of my favorites, the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Now, I'm gonna need some help with this. Do you all have your rain shakers?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes?
Ooh, it sounds like it's raining in here already. Okay, let's get started. This is Miss Itsy Bitsy. She's a spider. She has 8 legs, 8 eyes, and one big love of adventure. One day, she decided to go climbing. The Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Oh, okay. This is where I'm gonna need your help.
This is lots of fun, isn't it, Julia? Felix, where did Julia go?
Oh, I don't know.
Julia's daddy, where did Julia go?
Oh, she went over to look in the costume cabinet.
But she's gonna miss the good part.
Now, when I sing Down Came the Rain, I need you all to shake those shakers with all that you got.
Doesn't Julia want to hear the story?
Oh, I think we might find out that Julia is still listening, even if she's left the mat.
Really?
Down came the rain. And washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Oh, give him another good shake.
Are you sure we shouldn't go get Julia? Everyone else is having fun with their rain shakers.
Oh, Elmo, you're being such a good friend by thinking of her. Listen, I'm keeping an eye on her, and I know she'll be back when she's ready.
Okay, Julia's daddy.
And the Itsy Bitsy Spider. What? Oh, look, it's Miss Itsy Bitsy.
Julia's back!
Yeah, Julia wanted to join in story time in her own way. She chose dressing up in a costume instead of making rain sounds with her shaker.
Cool. Spider!
Fantastic. Now we have our own Itsy Bitsy to join us for story time. Thanks, Julia.
Love your costume, Julia.
Oh, and here comes more rain.
Oh, yes! Hey!
Ooh, bring that rain.
Oh, I love spider time.